For this lesson, we'll be discussing about the estimating the products of decimal numbers. In estimating the products of decimals, to estimate the products of decimals, we round off the decimals to the nearest whole numbers, and then after that we multiply them. Let's have this problem. Estimate the product of 15.72 and 9.04. So to do that, let us follow these steps. First is you need to round off the factors to the nearest whole number. So the first factor is 15.72. It will become 16. Since the number beside the digit 5 is 7, so we need to round up. It will now become 6. So therefore, 15.72 will be rounded off to 16 as a whole number, while the second factor 9.04 will remain as 9 since the number beside 9 is 0. Therefore, we round down. After rounding off both factors, we can now proceed to the step number 2. Multiply the new values in the previous step. So 16 times 9 is 144. Thus, the product of 15.72 and 9.04 is approximately 144. Let us try to answer this one. Estimate the product of 12.35 and 8.6. So in order for us to estimate the product of these two factors, we need to round them off to the nearest whole number. So 12.35 will stay as 12, or will be rounded down as 12, while 8.6 will be rounded up. So 8 here will become 9 since the number beside 8 is 6, so we need to round up. So 12 times 9, so 9 times 2 is 18. Regroup 1, 9 times 1 is 9, plus 1 is 10. So the answer, or the estimated product of 12.35 and 8.6 is 108. Next, what is the estimated value of the parenthesis 6.18 plus 11.25 plus 0.31 times 17.72? So to do that, we need to add first the value inside the parenthesis. So 6.18 plus 11.25 plus 0.31. So 8 plus 5 is 13 plus 1 is 14. Regroup 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 3 is 7. 6 plus 1 is 7 plus 0 is 7. Bring down 1. So therefore, the sum of the given decimal numbers is 17.74. After that, we need to round off 17.74 and 17.72 to the nearest whole number. So 17.74 here will become 18, while 17.72 will also become 18 because the number beside our whole numbers is 7. So therefore, we need to round up. Now, we can now multiply the two numbers, or the two factors. 8 times 8 is 64. Carry 6, or regroup 6. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 1 is 1. Then we need to add, bring down 4. 8 times 4 is 12. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. So the estimated value of this equation is 324. Next, the Adriatico family consumes 23.8 kilos of rice each month. About how many kilos of rice do they consume in a year? So we need to get the estimated value. Take note that in 1 year there are 12 months. So if each month they can consume 23.8 kilos, in order for us to solve for the number of kilos that they can consume in 1 year, we need to multiply 23.8 by 12. So we need to round off each factor first. 23.8 here will become 24, while 12 here will remain as it is. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 2 is 2. Let's add the partial product. 8, bring down 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. Bring down 2. So the number of kilos of rice that the Adriatico family can consume for a year is 288 kilos of rice. What is the estimated product of 75.8 and 9.65? So 75.8, if we round this off to the nearest whole number, will become 76, while 9.65 rounded off to the nearest whole number will become 10. So 0, 0, 1 times 6 is 6, 1 times 7 is 7. Add the partial product, so 0, 6, 7. So the estimated value is 760. For the last one, find the estimated value of the parenthesis 20.5 plus 13.08 multiplied by 47.99. So we need to solve first the sum of 20.5 and 13.08. So this is 8533 and then the decimal point. After that, let us round off each given factor to the nearest whole number. 33.58 will become 34, while 47.99 will become 48. Let us now multiply. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 3 is 24 plus 3 is 27. 4 times 4 is 16. Regroup 1. 4 times 3 is 12. Plus 1 is 13. Add. So this is 2. 13. 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 3 is 6. Bring down 1. So the final answer or the estimated value is 1,630